Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 34, Quranic Verses. The obligation to command one's family to obey Allah and to teach them proper behavior. Order your family and community to establish the prayer and be diligent in its observance. We do not ask you to provide for us. Rather, it is we who provide for you. So, all your worship is for your own benefit, and the desired outcome is in favor of piety and righteousness. Surah Taha, chapter 20, verse 132. O you who believe, guard yourselves and your families through the enabling discipline of the Islamic faith and worship against a fire whose fuel is human beings and stones. Surah At-Tahrim, chapter 66, verse 6. Hadith number 167, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, At-Ima, 2. Sahih Muslim, Ashriba, 108. Abu Hafs Umar ibn Abi Salama Abdul Asad, may Allah be pleased with him, the stepson of the Messenger of Allah, said, I was a child under the guardianship of the Messenger of Allah. Peace and blessings be upon him, and my hand would go around in the dish. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, Boy, say the name of Allah the Almighty, and eat with your right hand, and eat what is in front of you. That became the way I ate ever afterwards. Hadith number 168, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Wasaya 9, Akam 1. Sahih Muslim, Imara 20. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, say, all of you are shepherds, and each of you is responsible for his flock. An Imam is a shepherd, and he is responsible for those in his care. A man is a shepherd in respect of his family, and is responsible for those in his care. The woman is a shepherd in respect of her husband's house, and is responsible for those in her care. The servant is a shepherd in respect of his master's property, and is responsible for what is in his care. All of you are shepherds, and each of you is responsible for his flock.